You feel ready, you go ahead and start.
Okay. Hi. I figure I just finished my workout, so now it's time to do the testimonial here for Mark. My name is Georgia, and I work out with Eric Shepard here at the Next Level. And the main reason why I've been coming to the gym at the Next Level is because I wanted to build up my bone strength, bone density. I lost my mother about 4 years ago to a fractured hip that was caused by osteoporosis. And it's a horrible way for anyone to go. And I decided when I go, I'm not going to go when I'm in a wheelchair a bit, I'm going to go when I'm dancing. And the best way to do that is to come to the gym. There have been some side benefits besides building up my body, my bone density. One of the things is endurance, strength, really good attitude, and also balance. I do a lot of gardening, and I've noticed this when sometimes you start to trip in the garden. Before I fall on my knees, now I'm able to catch myself. Several reasons, too, why I come to this particular gym is because of the congeniality of all of the trainers. Not only are they here for their personal clients, but they're also here for all of the clients. They're willing to fill in, help out, and their emphasis is how to do things properly, not how to do X number of things a zillion times so you're in competition with somebody else. So they're looking at individual results for the person. The people that come here also they want to be here because they want results for them personal selves. They're not here for a fashion parade or to find some little honey down the street or anything. It's for results. So this is a wonderful place to go. Next March, I'm going to be turning 70 years old, and I'll be starting my 4th year.